Hello and welcome to Aussie Math. In this video we're going to be doing a full breakdown of how to convert mixed numbers to improper fractions. For the purpose of this video, this square is going to represent one whole. Here we've got an example of a mixed number. It's got a full number 1 and the fraction is 1/4. We want to convert this into an improper fraction. And I'm going to share this one into quarters, so 4 equal parts. To show 1 1/4, I'm going to colour in one full square and one of the quarters. What I've now got is 1 1/4 coloured in. Here now I've got 2 more squares representing 2 wholes, and I've divided both of them into 4 equal parts. If they're not entirely equal, I've drawn them as best I can because I am drawing them freehand. To make this number sentence true, we've got that first one needs to all be coloured in and then one more piece. So that would be the same as 4 of these little pieces coloured in. And one little piece. This part that's the same as the whole we could represent as 4 quarters, and we could say and this part we could write as 1/4. Because we've got quarters and quarters, we can add them together easily. We've got 4 quarters plus 1 more quarter is going to make 5 quarters, which we write as 5 quarters. In this one, we want to have a look at 1 1/3 and express that as an improper fraction. Once again, we're going to start off by drawing a diagram. Okay, once again, we've drawn a couple of boxes above so that we can represent 1 1/3. I'm going to share this into 3 equal parts, and we're going to shade the appropriate amount. So we've got 1 whole and 1/3. So let's just shade one of the thirds. This time I might do the middle one. And I've cut these 2 boxes into 3 equal parts. And I'm going to shade them so that they match here. So that's going to shade those 3 and that one there. The 3 that are shaded here, I could write that as 3/3. I'll just put a little plus in there. And this part we would write as 1/3, same as we had it here. Then when we add them up, we've got 3/3 plus 1/3. 3 plus 1 is 4, so we've got 4/3 now. 4/3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 1/3 is the same as 4/3. That's how we convert mixed numbers to improper fractions with the diagram. Now we're going to have a look at another example without a diagram. I think you're going to find a diagram very helpful when you start to convert mixed numbers to improper fractions. But there probably will come a time where you don't want to draw diagrams for every single one. The first step here was to separate it into the whole number and the 5/10. The next step was to convert the 1 into 10/10, since 1 is the same as 10/10. And the 5/10 I've just rewritten as 5/10. Now it's time to add these together. Since they're both tenths, they're the same fraction. I've got 10 of them here and 5 of them here. So 10/10 plus 5/10 is going to be 15/10. So we've converted 1 5/10 into 15/10. If you want to see the diagram, it would look like this. This one we're going to convert 2 2/4 into an improper fraction. So the first step, I've written it as 1 plus 1 plus 2/4. 1 plus 1 is the same as 2, so that numbered sentence makes sense. In the next step, I've rewritten this one as 4/4 and this one as 4/4 plus 2/4. They're all the same size parts. I have 4 of them here, 4 of them here, and 2 of them there. So 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 2 more is 10, giving us 10/4. And the last one, 2 2/5. 1 plus 1 plus 2/5. Since 1 is the same as 5/5, we can write it as 5/5 plus 5/5 plus 2/5. And since they're all fifths, meaning they're the same size parts, we just need to add them together. We can add 5 plus 5, which is 10, and 2 more is 12, giving us 12/5. Converting mixed numbers to improper fractions is as simple as that. We're just breaking the numbers down into their parts, converting them into fractions, and then adding them all together. We're making heaps of new content all the time, so don't forget to subscribe. We'd love to learn what you think of this video, so please also post any questions or thoughts you have in the comments below. We've also got a website with a bunch of resources on it that we think is going to make your maths journey a lot easier and more fun. Hope this helps, and we'll see you in the next video.